These are Misty's baby. They're gonna be 2 weeks. They're gonna be 2 weeks and 2 days. They have opened their eyes already. This one is the youngest girl. One eye is open, the one eye is slightly open, but not all the way yet. This is the oldest boy. He is such a doll. Aren't you just a little cutie? Aren't you just a little cutie? Yeah. And there's Mommy, Misty. And there's the daddy. She's being very protective. Very protective of her babies. Oh, isn't he cute? You're just a little cutie, aren't you? I know. Here's put him back. And here is the girl. This one looks like Hercules. It's an Oliver girl. It's just kind of like red hair. But they call it liver. I think. I'm not sure. Misty. Let's see your beautiful face. You want to see those beautiful face. Those beautiful eyes. Aren't they just the cutest thing? So tiny. This is gonna be my brother's puppy. They've already named her Lola. She's gonna be a cute thing. She's got some whites on her chest. And then some whites on her paw. Alright. Misty. Misty. Misty, look here. Look here, Misty. She's just being protected. Misty!